week, you guys. Every day for 7 days, I'm doing a new Halloween makeup tutorial for you guys, and it's really, really exciting. It's gonna be so much fun. I put so much work into this. I hope you guys really like it. We're starting off strong with a galaxy, and I love how it turned out because it looks complicated, but it is the easiest thing to do. You're just basically splotching a bunch of different colors all over your face and kind of going wherever the wind takes you. So it's really easy to do. I hope you guys really like it. There are a couple of things this week that I'm going to be using and that are kind of important. The iMagic Flash Palette, it is so affordable. It's like 12 bucks or something like that on Amazon. I'll link it below. And also this little baby is another super affordable water-based paints palette. It's actually really good, and I used it today, and I'm gonna use both of these again this week. So if you're just wondering, I'll link everything below. If you're needing something like that for any of your Halloween looks or anything like that, these two are really good and super affordable. I want to let you guys in on that. Also, the wig and everything, I will be linking below, you guys. This is super easy. If you haven't subscribed already, make sure that you hit the subscribe button, that you hit the notification bell so you can be notified the moment all of my videos go live so you can check them out, especially this week because it's Halloween. So I hope you guys are excited, and yeah, let's go into how I did.
Okay, so we're starting out with a glue stick. It's a simple glue stick. I love the purple one. I think the purple one is amazing, and I'm gonna basically be putting that on my brows, and it's gonna keep my brows down, and I'm able to paint over top of them, and you won't be able to tell that I have brows, you know? So now I'm gonna sketch what I'm gonna do out, and you can use a white eyeliner. I'm using this nude one, and I'm basically deciding where it's gonna kind of melt off, like where that drippage is gonna look like, and I'm gonna really sketch that out. I definitely recommend you doing the foundation part first, because I didn't do that, and then you'll see that I'll go back and I'll do the sketch again, but this gives me like a rough idea. Then I'm going to do the foundation part. So the lower half of my face is going to be just my natural skin color. So I'm going in with foundation and powder, just like I normally would. Then you can see I'm going back in with that eyeliner. But then I'm gonna go over top when I've really decided how I want it to look. I'm gonna go over top with a black eyeliner and sketch it out that way. Once I've done that, I'm going into this iMagic cream palette. I definitely think that you should skip this part and just use the water-based paints if you can, because then it will dry and you won't make a big mess with the black. I feel like anytime I touched my face, or if my wig touched my face, the black came off. You can use the cream colors like I'm doing, but just make sure that you really set everything with a corresponding eyeshadow color. I definitely, if I would do it again, I would definitely just use the paints because those dry. But I'm basically going to sketch everything out. I'm going in roughly with the black, and then I'm going to go in with the white and start sketching out the lightest parts where I want it to go. And I kind of looked at pictures of space to kind of make it look galaxy-ish, and I really focused on what was white, what was blue, what was purple, and honestly a lot of this is just random, and it's gonna all come together at the end, trust me. So it starts off just looking weird, but it comes together. So I'm going in with a bunch of creams of the colors that I'm doing, and then I'm going to start going in with the paints. Like I said before, if you just start off with the paints, it's just a lot better, I feel like. So as you can see, I'm starting to go in with the blue, with a light blue, just around the white, and then I'm going to deepen it up with a darker blue, and then I'll go in with the purple. Then I start going into my water-based paint palette, which is so affordable, you guys. And you can see how beautiful it looks. So I'm just going in with the black. Sorry, I'm going with the blue, and then I'm gonna go over top of the black, and I'm just gonna be mixing in so many different colors. I've used purple, pink, blue, orange, yellow, white, like all different colors to really make it look like space, make it look cool. And I added just some different colors, and I really blended them out, and it's just basically just adding more color, mixing it around, making it random, and that's what really makes it look like the galaxy.
I heard the words in your eyes. Let go of what you see. Listen as it tells you of the place this used to be.
So I'm just going to continue to pile white on top in certain areas and kind of highlight with the white, and then I'm going to go in with more colors.
I saw it move through the air. I saw the lights fall down.
So now I'm going in with the orange, and I'm kind of filling in like the eye of that like wormhole I'm creating. I don't know what to call it. And then I'm going in with the pink and going around those areas as well to kind of mix colors and bring some dimension to it. Now I'm going with a white and an eyeliner brush, and I'm going in and really making some thin strokes, filling in the swirls and doing all that kind of stuff to make it look more like a galaxy, I guess you can say. And then I'm going to go in with a eyeliner brush or like a thin brush and start creating almost like freckles and little X's and stars, so that it definitely will give it more of that appearance.
What you see.
And I'm just basically putting these stars everywhere and anywhere I can possibly do it. I'm also using the white as kind of like an eyeliner and creating a wing, and then I'll put a little bit of purple on there as well, just whatever you're feeling. You definitely don't have to do this, but just anything that you feel you can put on there. I even do some yellow freckles. I highlight a little bit with the yellow. It all is going to come together. Then one last time, I'm going in with a light blue. I'm going with the regular blue and a purple and a pink, just one last time to kind of bring that out because it did kind of get lost because of that cream that was underneath.
I saw it come through and care. If I could just know where.
So last, I'm going to now outline with the black water-based paint and outline everything that I had done in the beginning. This is kind of the final step whenever you're done making your galaxy to basically outline it. The only thing left to do is the glitter. Okay, so I'm gonna do the lips. This is a Jordana lip gloss. Just anything that's like a hot pink. You can do a gloss, you can do a liquid lipstick. Then I'm gonna run my fingers over it because I want it to look messy and I want it to look like it's almost my natural skin color. And whenever you go over it with your finger, usually lip colors do that and they make it look more natural. And then I'm gonna go in with a purple right in the center and I'm going to really blend it out with my finger so it looks like it kind of blends in with my lip. Then I'm getting into the Kara Beauty Galaxy palette, and this is just pressed glitter is what it is. You can get glitter from anywhere, but I'm basically putting glitter glue wherever I'm gonna put the glitter, and then I'll go back in and pick up the glitter. I find that doing it with your finger is a lot easier, but I'm basically using any colors I can possibly use. So purple, blue, white. The white really makes it look like there's stars. So I definitely did white. I did a little bit of gold. I even did some black, just any glitter you can possibly do. I feel like this really takes a look like this up to the next level. It really makes it look very shiny, especially in the dark whenever you go out. It's definitely gonna look 10 times even better when you have the glitter on there. So I use a little bit of pink. So whenever I apply the white, that's where it really looks like there's just a lot of stars all over the galaxy because it really is like a fine glitter. So it really makes it look more real, I feel like. So I definitely think that if you don't use any other kind of glitter, just putting a little bit of like a whitish silvery glitter will make such a difference. I'm even gonna put some on my lip as well. I think this was the purple one or the black one. And it looked really, really, really beautiful. Last, I'm gonna get into the Natural Face palette from Too Faced. You don't need to have this palette, but basically I'm using a pink blush and then I'm gonna use a kind of pinky highlight. So for the blush, I'm basically gonna put it on my chin, underneath my nose. I'm gonna put it on my upper lip, like right in that Cupid's bow. I'm gonna do it on my jawline, on my cheeks, and it gives me like a pink tint, and I find that really pulled it all together, you guys. Don't skip the step. For some reason, it kind of just amped it up because I felt like the bottom part of my skin just looked too plain, and I really love what the pink did for me. And then I went in with the highlight, the pink highlight, and I again did it on my chin, in the Cupid's bow, on my nose, and I love, 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 love how it turned out. And that's basically it.
I hope you guys really like how this look turned out. Let me know down below in the comments what you're thinking about being for Halloween, or if you're gonna recreate this or whatever. Tell me your thoughts on how this turned out. But I guess I'll just see you guys back here tomorrow. So don't forget, tomorrow, another video. Bye guys.